Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add transitions in CapCut using transitions to create engaging videos, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head first onto your CapCut app onto your device. So as you can see, I'm currently in already onto the editing page and I've added the clips that I want to use. So if you haven't done it onto your end, just click onto the import option in here to browse onto your different files, and then you could go ahead and see them here onto the import device option. So once you have added that, let's add this both onto our timeline. So you could go ahead and highlight both of this and drag and drop it here. Or you could simply click onto the plus icon in here to go ahead and add these tracks onto the timeline. To move on to different clips and to add transition in between them, we'll just need to head here onto transitions. So there's transitions here onto the upper part, and it is also categorized onto different options here. So that two clips would be moved seamlessly from one another, let's choose a transition in here that is nice to add. So we have here, we could also see a quick preview onto each of the transitions in here. So we have mix, we have pull in, and many more. So let's try to choose a free one since there are some that are actually paid. So we have this blink. I kind of like this blinking effect. We're just gonna go ahead and drag and then drop it in here onto its middle part, just like that. So as you can see, you'll just have to click onto OK for that, and if you play this, it should go ahead and transition from one clip to another just like this. So as you can see, it did added a blinking effect. Now, if you want to do the same thing here onto just this specific clip, we're going to go ahead and split this here onto its middle part and add in a transition here onto its middle part. So let's choose a transition here. Like for example, let's add this shake transition. Let's put this here onto its middle part just like that. And if you play this, it should go ahead and look something like this. So as you can see, it did created a transition effect, and you could also change the duration of each transition here onto the right side. And that is how to add transitions in CapCut using transitions to create engaging videos. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.